What's going on, family? So today I went ahead and picked up my pre-order for the iPhone 13. But just to give you a little backstory, I'm more of an Android guy, and throughout the years I've been using mostly Samsung phones with a little bit of Google as well as Apple thrown inside there. The only Google phone I've used was the Nexus 6. I believe it was the Nexus 6, which I loved, don't get me wrong. But for Apple, I've had the iPhone 4 or the 4S, I don't remember which one it was. Then I had the iPhone 6s Plus. And honestly, to this day, the iPhone 6s Plus is one of my most favorite iPhones I've used till this day. Years later, I went ahead and picked up the iPhone 10. And that's when they went and made the phone full screen, minus the notch, obviously. Then 2 years later, I picked up the iPhone 11, the regular version, and that was my last iPhone until today. So here's the iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold. And I like how they kept the same theme, the gold theme for the logos around the box for the color of the phone. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this box up. And one thing I see they changed is now that they have pull tabs, what makes it much easier to get inside the box. Nothing in the front cover. Wow. Yeah, this is a nice color right here. Let me just set that aside for real quick. Or you get in the box is your USB-C to Lightning. Listen, I don't know why they didn't choose to go to USB-C to USB-C. Just Apple being Apple. They could have easily made the iPhones USB-C, and this could have easily been another USB-C port. Then I would have had one cable for all my devices. But anyway, let's move on. You also get a pamphlet, which is SIM ejector tool, with some stickers, and that's it. All right, so let's put this away and get to the phone. Woo! All right, yeah. This is a beautiful phone. Feels nice and premium. And I like how they kept this frosted back. Around the frame of the phone is gold. I would have liked it if it had kept it as frosted like this, or even as a matte material. But it doesn't matter anyway. I'll just throw a case right on top of this. One thing I can notice too is that the cameras are noticeably bigger than last year's version. And I don't know if you can see this, but the notch is noticeably smaller too. All right, let me power this on and see what we're working with. Yeah, as I was saying before, the notch is smaller. It's noticeable, but you know, it's still there. So let me go ahead and set this up, and I'll be right back. All right, now, so I have the phone set up, and I gotta say, like, I like how this phone feels. The build quality, second to none. And it feels so premium in the hands. And I especially love the back. The frosted glass, and this portion right here that's not frosted around the camera area. These side rails do collect a lot of fingerprints though. Matter of fact, let me wipe it down a little bit so you get the full effect. Yeah, look how that gold is shining. As I said before, that notch is noticeably smaller. Not drastic, but it is smaller. All right, now here's it against my S21 Ultra. And I can already tell that the S21 Ultra feels better in the hands because the size of the phone and the corners are rounded. And it feels like it's contoured better in your hands rather than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which has like a more of a boxy and an angular design. And I feel like it will dig into your hands more. But anyway, both of these devices are great looking phones. And I feel like the iPhone 13 Pro Max looks especially good with the gold accents around the phone, which gives it a nice premium look all around. And on the S21 Ultra, I specifically like the camera housing, which right here gives off like a carbon fiber look to it, and it has some texture to it. And I also love how the camera housing molds into the frame of the phone. All right, so let me know in the comment section below on which one you think looks better. iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold or the S21 Ultra. As well as the Z Flip 3. These both are also some beautiful devices. All right, so that was just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you have any questions or comments, or if you would like to see more comparisons, just let me know down below, and have a good one.